G'day viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've got a bit of a treat for you guys today. I've got an old antique spotlight that's made of copper and brass that I'm going to clean up. The copper I'm going to take fairly gently and boost the pressure up for the brass, but I'll give you a look at the bits and we'll chuck them in and give them a bit of a wash. Here's the spotlight here. As you can see, got a lot of oxidation on that. That's, believe it or not, it's copper underneath that. And the rest of the parts here are mainly brass, except for this rim here, which is copper also. So let's see what we can do with that. Well, I've had a bit of a play with my air pressures, and I reckon about 70 psi is going to be the trick for this stuff, but that's probably going to give the best result. As you can see, it's cleaning the oxidation off, no problem at all. There's the copper work done. That's come up very nice. Customer will be very happy with that. And now we'll get on to this brass stuff and give you a look at that when it's done. Well, there's the finished result of that spotlight. This thing is just going to look awesome in someone's man cave, and the brass work came up a treat also. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little video, folks. Something a little bit different, and thank you for watching. Don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that like button, tell all your mates. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.